okay? Look at Daddy, he's on camera. Say snow!
House.
No angels!
Daddy!
No angels are us!
Daddy! Daddy!
Yes.
Did you get me?
Uh-huh.
How old are you, Brittany?
10!
Have you ever seen snow?
Wait, you got the camera.
Yes, I do.
Oh, this?
Daddy is base. Nobody can throw snow at Daddy.
Alright.
Go put the camera away, Daddy.
Brittany, have you ever seen snow?
No.
Brittany, is it cold?
Yes. Daddy, go put the camera away so I can put snow on you.
Yeah, I think Daddy needs to get involved.